Okay, so when you're updating the appearance of the opt-in page for your opt-in offer, one of the things that you're going to notice is that the recommended dimensions are 396 by 479. So how would you create an image that looks like this? Because it's really unlikely that you already have one that's exactly those dimensions. So there's a few ways that you could do it, but I'm going to show you something really easy using Canva. And by the way, you can use a free version of Canva to make this happen. So keep in mind it's 396 by 479. So here we go. So I'm going to go create a design, and I'm going to choose custom size. This is inside of Canva. This is where I would type 396 by 479. So I would create a new design. And there we go. So we have our dimensions. And now what I want to do is I want to add an image. So let's say that I'm going to use this image here. Now this image, I believe, is a square. So what I can do is I can put it here, and I can center it on the page. I can also increase the size. All right, so there we go. If I want to change the background, I can do that. So the background color I can change over here. So I could change it to something like so, or like so, really any color under the rainbow. Okay, so from there, let's say that I wanted to add something like, here we go. Okay, so let's find something that I want to use. So let's say we wanted to use this. It looks a little bit clip arty. I think I'm going to actually delete that and maybe try this. Okay. So I'm not saying you have to by any stretch, but you could use something like this. All right. So now let's say that we're ready and we want to download this. Real simple. We just click share, click download. I'm going to choose PNG, and now I'm going to click download. And in just a second, we should have that downloaded. And let's go take a look. I'll go into my downloads, and there we go. And it will be the right size. And so what I can do is I can upload this to Voma, and it'll look great sitting in there. In fact, let me just go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and replace this. So I'll go to drag and drop, and let's grab this. I'm just going to change this real quick to example upload. All right, and drag that over, click save, and upload one file. All right, and there we go. So just that quickly, you can use the free version of Canva to create an image that is exactly the dimensions that you want, spruce it up, choose the background that you like, and you're good to go.